Hello everyone! Our lesson today is about expanded form of three-digit numbers. Our end in mind is that at the end of this video you will be able to write numbers up to 999 in expanded form, and you will be able to identify the place value of ones, tens, and hundreds of a given number. Now let's review our previous lesson. And let me remind you, with our super helpful tool, the place value chart, we are going to use the number 359. Let's start by placing each digit in its place, starting from ones, then tens, then hundreds. So we are going to place the 9 in the ones place, the 5 in the hundreds in the tens place, and the 3 in the hundreds place. Now we are going to review some number forms that we learned in our previous lesson. So we learned about standard form. Standard form is just a number. Standard form is just a number. Standard form is just a number. So we are going to write the number in number form using numbers. And another form is the word form. Word form is the word. Word form is the word. Standard form is just a number. Standard form is just a number. Word form is the word. Word form is the word. Now we are going to write the number in words. In words, okay? So like 359. What is expanded form of a number? Expanded form of a number is to represent or write the number as a sum of the place values of each digit in a number. So let's look at the hand that is shown on the screen. The hand is pulling out the rubber band or opening the rubber band. Another name of what the hand is doing is expanding the rubber band. So we are going to do with the number the same as the hand doing with the rubber hand. We are going to expand out our number. So let's see how we are going to expand out our number. Let's try it out. A simple example. Jinan wants to write the expanded form of the number she's holding. Let's help our friend. She's holding 53. So we are going to use the place value chart and put each number or each digit in its place. So 3 is the ones. We are going to put the 3 in the ones place and the 5 in the tens place. And we are going to use blocks to model the number. So we have 3 ones and 5 tens. Now we are going to think about the values of each digit. Here we have 5 tens. So we have to think about the 5 tens. Now 5 tens, now each 10 road is 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So the value of 5 tens is 50. The value of a 3, because it's in the ones place, so it will stay 3. Now, we didn't write an expanded form because something is missing. To write an expanded form, we should put the addition sign between the values. So, 50 plus 3, now it's an expanded form. Let's take another example, this time using 3-digit numbers. Ahmed and Jad are playing with marbles. They counted them and find out they have 265 marbles. Let's write this number in expanded form. So the number is 265. So we are going to put each digit in its place using the place value chart. Which digit is the ones? That's right, it's the 5. So we have 5 ones. Now, which digit is in the tens place? Yes, it's 6. Which digit is in the hundreds place? That's right, it's 2. So we have 5 ones, we have 6 tens, and we have 2 hundreds. What is the value of 2 hundreds? Each big block is 100. So we have 100 and 200. So 200 is the value of 200s. 6 tens, what is the value of 6 tens? It's 60. Excellent. Now, what is the value of 5? That's right, it's 5. Now, to make it an expanded form, we should put pluses between the values. So 200 plus 60 plus 5 is the expanded form of 265. Now, it's a practice time. Let's practice writing expanded form. So here we have 648. We are going to place what in the ones place? 8 ones. Yes, we have 8 ones. 8 in the ones place, 4 in the tens, and 6 in the hundreds place. We are going to use the models. So we have 8 ones, we have 4 tens, and we have 6 hundreds. Let's think now about the values of each digit. So 6 hundreds, the value of 6 hundreds is 600, yes. The value of 4 tens is, right, it's 40. The value of 8 ones is, good job, it's 8. Now to make it an expanded form, I should put the pluses between the values. So 600 plus 40 plus 8 is the expanded form of 648. Awesome. Now we have to write the expanded form for each number. I did the first example. You should continue the rest. So, first of all, we are going to use the place value chart. How many ones do we have in the picture? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. How many tens do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 tens. How many hundreds do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds. So the number is 535. The expanded form of this number is 500 plus 30 plus 5. Now let's do the rest. The first word form here is 360. So we are going to write 3 in the hundreds place and 60. 60. What is 60? 60 is 6 tens, right? Now, do we have ones? No, we don't have ones. So we are going to put a 0 in the ones place. So the number is 360. How do we write the expanded form of this number? It is a 300 plus 60. Excellent. The second exercise now is 147. So we have 1 in the hundreds place, we have 4 in the tens place, and 7 in the ones place. The expanded form is 100 plus 40 plus 7. The third exercise is 213. So we know that we have 2 hundreds. What about 13? How many tens do 13 have? It has 1 10 and 3 ones. Excellent. So 213 is going to be 200 plus 10 plus 3. The last one now is 609. So 6 in the hundreds place, 0 in the tens place, and 9 in the ones place, because we don't have any tens. Now the expanded form is 600 plus 9. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to do your assignment. I'm going to use my skateboard now. See you later, heroes!